Want to sound more natural and fluent in English? Modal verbs like can, must, and should are small words that make a big difference. In this video, we'll break down 10 essential modal verbs you need to speak confidently and correctly. Let's start. Can. Meaning, shows ability, permission, or possibility. Usage, used in the present or future context. Examples. She can speak 3 languages. Ability. Can I use your phone for a minute? Permission. It can get really hot in April. Possibility. Could. Meaning, the past form of can, also used for polite requests or possibilities. Usage, shows past ability or present possibility in a polite way. Examples. When I was younger, I could run 5 kilometers without stopping. Past ability. Could you pass me the salt, please? Polite request. May. Meaning, used to express formal permission or uncertain possibility. Usage, more formal than can. Examples. May I leave early today? Permission. We may go to the beach if it's sunny. Possibility. Might. Meaning, shows a weak possibility, less certain than may. Usage, often used when you're unsure. Examples. He might come to the party, but I'm not sure. I might go shopping later. Shall. Meaning, used to make suggestions, offers, or talk about the future, mainly British English. Usage, more formal and often used with I or we. Examples. Shall we start the meeting now? Suggestion. I shall return by evening. Formal future. Should. Meaning, indicates advice, recommendation, or moral obligation. Usage, less strong than must. Examples. You should exercise daily. Advice. He should apologize for his behavior. Will. Meaning, expresses future certainty, willingness, or promises. Usage, used for definite actions. Examples. I will help you with your homework. She will visit her grandma next week. Would. Meaning, used for polite offers, imaginary situations, or past habits. Usage, more polite than will. Examples. Would you like some tea? Polite offer. When I was a kid, I would play outside for hours. Past habit. Must. Meaning, expresses strong necessity, rules, or logical conclusions. Usage, shows something is very necessary. Examples. You must wear a helmet while riding. Obligation. She must be tired after that long trip. Logical conclusion. Ought to. Meaning, indicates moral duty, strong advice, or recommendation. Usage, similar to should, but slightly stronger in tone. Examples. You ought to be kind to your neighbors. We ought to help those in need. Now that you've learned how to use these powerful modal verbs, start practicing them in real conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and smart English lessons. Keep learning and keep growing with English Word Hub.